Hi there again. Have you lost track of the places your kids gather with their friends to hang out and have fun? In this tech era, we parents are busy with our jobs when our teens are discovering new spots and bars with their friends, some of which might even be dangerous or not even age appropriate. We also know how sensitive teens can be and might not want you to drive them to their friends' houses or parties. Safe's location history allows you to keep track of your kids' hangout spots even when they leave the house without you. And Safe's live location service enables you to easily retrieve their real-time location via live GPS tracking at any moment. This way, you can keep an eye on them from a safe distance. Not to mention that by receiving their activity report, you will be able to determine what your teen is into, what their interests are, catch any suspicious activity ahead of time, and put a stop to it before it causes any harm to them or others.